Are you considering moving to Gulf Breeze, Florida, being close to Pensacola Beach?
Here is the Gulf Breeze. It's on a peninsula. There is a hospital here also that just popped up. And down here is Pensacola Beach. It does run all the way to the National Seashore. And also, you do have Pensacola up here where the Blue Wahoo Stadium is.
Well, today I'm going to tour a 3-bedroom, 3-bath that's in Gulf Breeze, Florida. So if you're considering moving to Gulf Breeze, Florida, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go tour this house. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath in Gulf Breeze, Florida. It's 3,600 square feet. There are views of the Sound, and you can also see Pensacola Beach on the other side of the water there. And there are also views of the water from inside the house. So let's go on in and check this out. So you walk into this grand staircase. That's a gas fireplace over there with plenty of shelving, book shelving there. And it does take you into the dining room, and a lot of natural lighting in the dining room kitchen. There's also a balcony off the dining room area. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. A lot of cabinets for storage. And there is also a walk-in pantry. And the laundry room is off the kitchen area. The area here, a wet bar to go out to the deck out back. This is the backyard. You can see the bridge that goes to Pensacola Beach. The water there, that's the Sound. And down the hall here is the first bedroom. It does have access to the main bathroom, shower, and you do have views of the water again with the beach bridge, the Sykes Bridge going over to Pensacola Beach. There is storage over here, and there's an elevator, and also there's storage under the steps. So now we'll take a walk upstairs, and there are 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. They each have their own bathroom. So there's a lot of natural lighting in the great room. So the master is in the front of the house, and this is bedroom number 2. It does have this extra seating area that you have amazing views of the water up here with the bridge going over to Pensacola Beach. So bedroom 2 does also have its own bathroom. And there is a walk-in closet and also a linen closet. Okay, and then we'll go into the master. It's got this beautiful bowed out windows here with the wood flooring. You can see the beach from here, and the sound the master does have a separate balcony. You can come out, enjoy the evening, to watch the boats on the water. You can see the beach from here. There's another view over there. So the master does come with a wet bar also. There is a walk-in closet here, and there's also a linen closet, and then there's a separate shower, and you have the garden tub. It's jetted, and there's also another walk-in closet. You have the double vanity. So if you're considering moving to Gulf Breeze, Florida, or the surrounding area, and you're looking for assistance, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.